Yukon Gear and Axle has set the benchmark for quality in the automotive gear industry. Their high-performance ring and pinion gear sets are engineered with precision and built to last. This Yukon Gear 8.6-inch GM 373 rear ring and pinion kit combines all the essential components into one single part number. Each kit includes the rear ring and pinion gear sets as well as the complete Yukon Master Overhaul Kit. These kits come in a wide range of ratios, from 373 all the way up to 538. Yukon offers its exclusive Yes Plan, a lifetime protection plan for your gear set kit. With the Yes Plan, you can have peace of mind knowing your investment is safeguarded as long as you own your vehicle. The gear and install kit also includes the Yukon DuraGrip clutch style limited slip differential. It provides improved traction and performance. The differential carrier bearings have a 3.062-inch outside diameter. They're designed for applications 1999 and up, with a 10-bolt rear cover and a 10-bolt ring gear. But these kits are also offered for many other applications. And finally, let's not forget the star in this particular kit, the 373 ring and pinion gear set. It's the perfect choice for those seeking optimal performance and reliability. The ring gear diameter measures 8.5 inches, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. It's a perfect fit for your specific needs. So if you're interested in this or any of the Yukon Gear and Axle kits, or need one installed, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.